Assalamu alaikum. Hey Hidden Life fam. Good morning. So yeah, I'm today out filming and it's December, cold. I'm wearing my sweater. It's pretty cold now. You can see my garden, red spinach and regular spinach. So today I'll be covering that how do you water my plants, and it's the most important thing in this process. So let's go. How should I water my plants? Ta-da! Hey, I'm back again. So yeah, you can see my this shower type thing. This I will be using this to water my plants. First you need to pour it into the water like this until it's full. You have to wait. So you can skip this part, or you can change it to 2x for the maximum viewing angle. So let's see you next. So the water is full now, guys. We have to don't pour it. So it's pretty full. I'm late to turn it off. So let's go. So see you at the garden. If your plants is big, you have to water them like from this distance. And since my plants are now growing bigger, mashallah, I have to water my plants from this angle. Yeah, it's done, and I will cover the things in another clip. Hey guys, we're at the very end of our video, and in this short clip I'll be covering that the basics. I use that shower type thing and I don't remember its name. I will give the name of the thing in my video somewhere, this or this caption type. And I actually don't know that I water my plants usually from this distance. Now it's pretty big, and in terms of spinach, I noticed that if I water my plants from this close distance, the spinach tree falls down. And let me know in the comments that is it good or is it bad. I don't know. And for the safety, I usually water my spinach from this distance and the red spinach from the regular distance. So yeah, it's the end of the video. If you have any queries, the comment section is all yours, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Ta-da!